ko sa talong, saluyot, kamote, labanos, kamatis, a little bit okra. Galing yan lahat guys dito guys sa ano ko. Ang gulay na green sa laman ko guys. Nipo ko lang doon. Kasi kaya lalaki ng tiyan o. Tinola. Ulo naman sa red snapper. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Ayan. See? Tiyan ng mga ano basta. Ang lalaki. Guys, oh, see? No guys. It's guys, see? It's eat. Ang ganda guys yung the belly of the fish. Red snapper. Yummy. And guys, I like that fried fish guys. Oh, it's so good guys. This is it guys. There's tinola fish. Sarap. Yummy. Subo. Lalaki guys. Naman. Mga vegetables. I fried it outside. My house is so hot outside. In the backyard. Crunchy. I see you in the next video guys. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.